Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to teach you how to do a wavy blowout at home. It does take a little bit of time, but you can get there. And I promise to you, it is less harsh to your hair than using a curling iron. If you want to learn, just keep watching, but first, subscribe. So the tools that you're gonna need to achieve this look is a leave-in protector. You can use any leave-in protector that you have at home. You're gonna need a hair dryer. I'm using this Dyson because I love it and it doesn't damage your hair. It's very light to your in your hair. Hairspray or texturizer, clips, and my brand new hair brushes. I'm using two different sizes, one medium and one small. And that's it, so let's get started. With the leave-in. Okay, so that's gonna protect your hair from the heat damage. So then you can just part and section your hair whatever you want, how you prefer, so it just doesn't get on the way. So get the hair that is in the back and put in the front, and then you start getting ready to blow dry. So get your brush, your round brush, and this is the tricky part. So you just need to get your hands used to be twisting. So you get your brush and you start in the middle of the piece of the hair, twisting away from your face as you go down. And it doesn't need to be perfect, guys. Your hair might fall off from the hairbrush and it's okay. You just need to keep going and until you get the perfect curls. So now I'm going to start the right side the same way I did the left side. You get a small section of your hair and start twisting away from your face and hold it a little bit. Now that you're done with the bottom part, I like to put a clips so it doesn't go on the way while you start doing the top part. So the top part, you're gonna do the same as you did in the bottom. You get one section and keep twisting away as you go down. And you just keep doing all the same direction. And once you're done with one side of the hair, don't touch it, just let it set, and then you go to the other side. So once you get to the fringe, I like to blow dry, lifting it up to the top so it helps to create a volume. And you have to keep putting on the hot and the cold air so it helps to create volume. once you're done with both sides, just keep it down. The curl's gonna be a little bit tight, but that's okay. So now we're gonna work on making some volume. And now you're just gonna grab the crown pieces of the hair and you're gonna put cold and hot air in the roots. So now that you're done with the top of your hair, let's unclip the back of the hair and let's mess it up so it's not so tight curls. Bend over, mess it up. And we are not done just yet. And one thing that's gonna make it even nicer and gives volume, and you can put a texturizer and a hairspray. And you can use whatever you prefer. Spray towards the end of the hair. And once you're done with that, get the brush and start opening the curls a little bit, very gentle. So yeah, once you're done with that, you're all set. So you have nice beach curls with the blow dry. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to subscribe.
Et tu ne vis que pour les caméras, les appareils photos. Et tu ne vis que pour les miroirs, le regard des autres et le Chanel Coco. Et tu fais changer, oui j'essaye, mais chez toi tout est si fait. Tu ne jures que par les caméras, les Ferrari, et le champagne.